Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have for you the unboxing of Kodak T210 lightweight tripod. I purchased this tripod from Amazon and I will provide you with the link in the description below. This is a pretty good product for the 1200 rupees price range, and if you are a beginner and want to pursue something new in YouTube, then I think this is a very good product for you. Without a further delay, let's jump into the video. So this is what the bag exactly looks like right out of the box, and there is a Kodak branding on the bag, which I like very much. So to the right hand side of this bag there is a zip. You can unzip it and pull out the contents of this package. So this is what the tripod exactly looks like. So with this tripod you get a mobile holder. You can use this mobile holder to mount on top of the tripod, and on this particular product this mobile holder comes for free. Even on the 2000 rupees tripod you won't find this mobile holder, but that's not a benefit. That's not the only benefit of purchasing this tripod. I think the aluminum and the plastic used on this tripod is pretty good for the 1200 rupees range. So Kodak has done a very fantastic job by making a 1200 rupees product for the YouTubers out there. This is what the tripod looks like without any extensions. So this is standing at its bare minimum height. Now if we extend the legs further, I'm just extending once, so that I can show you what it exactly looks like on each extension. So this is how tall it stands on the first extension. And on the second extension it gets this tall. Again, I must tell you the plastic used on this tripod is not that great. You could buy a $2,000 rupees Kodak tripod and you could get better quality. I think Kodak T210 is a better product on this price range. So you spend just 300 more rupees and you get T210 for better quality and better plastic. So there is a handle on this tripod to move this tripod head in 3 different directions. It's a 3-pan movement, and there is a level adjuster provided on the top and on the right hand side bottom of this tripod. You can use this level adjuster to balance your tripod and never make a mistake. So this is how you extend the neck further, by rotating the lever on the right hand side in a clockwise direction and anti-clockwise to bring it back down. Once you have achieved the full height, you can wind the screw on the neck and fix it in one place. Now the tripod is at its maximum height. This is what it looks like with all the arms extended. You can move the lever down, up, to the right, to the left. Basically it's a 360-degree pan movement. So to do that you need to unwind the screw so that it loosens up, and then you can rotate the screw on the right hand side. You just have to explore the options on this tripod yourself to use it in a better way. By unwinding the screw, you can pick up the head of this tripod and move it to the left hand side. By doing so, you can extend the head towards the left hand side and record more pictures or more videos. You can even face it downwards and record towards the ground. So I believe overall Kodak has done a fantastic job by providing us this product for 1200 rupees range. There is a hook provided at the bottom of this tripod just in case if you want to add extra weight and make it more stable. Here is the branding on one of the legs of this tripod and it says Kodak T210. So coming back to the mobile holder, to mount your mobile phone on a tripod, you need to retract this mobile holder and put your phone inside of that. But before that, you need to screw this on top of this accessory that they have provided and screw it down tightly before you mount it on your tripod. Now to mount it on the tripod, you just need to pull that lever and just place it anyway. It will fit anyways. It has been designed in a way that no matter how you put this on the tripod, it will always catch. Just like so, you can change the position of this accessory and drop it back in and put the clip on. Isn't it great? I think it is. This is the lock mechanism, and I must tell you the plastic quality on this lock mechanism is fabulous, and I think it's not too bad for a 1200 rupees product. And the quality of the mobile phone holder is also. So guys, I hope you like this product, and if you're looking forward to make YouTube videos in future, I think you should count on this one. So until the next one, goodbye.